Wagwan world, welcome to Chat Jamaican. We're thrilled to have you here with us today. Today, we're going on a food journey that will make your taste buds sing and leave you wanting more. Get ready to explore the rich and diverse flavors of Jamaica. We're diving into the heart of Jamaican cooking, exploring the top 5 Jamaican foods that everyone loves. These dishes are a true representation of our culture and heritage. From the spicy jerk to the comforting ackee and saltfish, each dish has a story to tell. These stories are filled with tradition, love, and a whole lot of flavor. So, get ready for this yummy adventure with me. We're about to uncover the secrets behind these beloved dishes. Today we'll be looking at 5 dishes that are not only popular in Jamaica, but are also famous worldwide. These dishes have crossed borders and won hearts everywhere. We'll talk about their history, what they mean to Jamaican culture, and, of course, how they're made. Each dish is a piece of our history and a taste of our island. So sit back, relax, and let the smells of Jamaica take you to a food paradise. Let's get started on this delicious journey together. First up, we have the one and only, the king of Jamaican food, jerk chicken. This dish is not just a meal, it's a celebration of flavors and tradition. When we talk about jerk, we're talking about a flavor explosion that dances on your taste buds. It all starts with a marinade, a mix of spicy Scotch bonnet peppers, thyme, allspice, garlic, and a bit of ginger. These ingredients come together to create a symphony of flavors. This marinade is rubbed into the chicken or pork, letting the flavor soak in deeply, ensuring every bite is packed with taste. Traditionally, jerk is cooked slowly over pimento wood, which gives it a smoky flavor that's simply amazing and unique. But these days, you can get that smoky taste on a grill or even in your oven, making it accessible to everyone. Imagine the meat sizzling as it cooks, the air filled with the intoxicating smell of jerk seasoning. It's a sensory delight. In Jamaica, jerk is more than just food. It's a cultural experience that brings people together. Trust me, one bite and you'll know why it's a Jamaican star. It's a taste that stays with you, a true icon of the island. Now, let's talk about a dish that's close to every Jamaican's heart. Ackee and Saltfish, our national dish. This dish is not just food, it's a symbol of our heritage and pride. This dish shows Jamaica's history and how different cultures came together. It's a culinary representation of our diverse roots and shared experiences. Ackee, a fruit from West Africa, found a home in Jamaica, mixing perfectly with Caribbean flavors. This unique fruit has become an integral part of our cuisine. It's a perfect match. The salty saltfish goes perfectly with the mild, slightly sweet and creamy ackee. This combination creates a delightful balance of flavors. When cooked, it becomes this creamy delight, kind of like scrambled eggs. The texture is smooth and satisfying, making it a comfort food for many. It's usually cooked with onions, tomatoes, Scotch bonnet peppers for some spice, and black pepper for extra flavor. These ingredients add depth and complexity to the dish. Served with boiled dumplings, fried plantains, or breadfruit, these sides complement the main dish perfectly. Ackee and Saltfish is a mix of textures and flavors that will make you feel like you're in Jamaica. Each bite is a journey through our island's culinary landscape. So, when you try Ackee and Saltfish, remember, You're not just tasting a dish, you're tasting a piece of Jamaica's history, culture, and soul. It's a meal that tells a story of resilience and unity. Chapter 3, Curried Goat, a party of flavors. Next, we have a dish that means celebration in Jamaica, curried goat. This dish takes time and love. It's cooked slowly and is full of flavor. We're talking tender goat meat that falls off the bone, cooked in a rich curry sauce. The secret to good curry goat is in the spices. We're talking turmeric, cumin, coriander, ginger, garlic, and of course our Scotch bonnet pepper for that Jamaican kick. The goat is added to the pot with coconut milk for a creamy and sweet touch. In Jamaica, curry goat is for special times, so if you ever get to try it, don't wait, grab a plate and get ready for a flavor explosion. Chapter 4, Rice and Peas, the center of a Jamaican meal. No Jamaican meal is complete without rice and peas. Don't let the name fool you. This isn't just plain rice. This is rice and peas Jamaican style, and it's amazing. We start with rice, but the real star is the peas, which are actually kidney beans. These beans are cooked with coconut milk, scallions, thyme, garlic, and a little Scotch bonnet pepper. As the rice cooks, it soaks up all the yummy flavors from the coconut milk and spices, making it comforting and flavorful. So next time you're making a Jamaican meal, don't forget the rice and peas. Chapter 5, Jamaican Patties, a pastry full of flavor. Last but not least, we have the best Jamaican on-the-go snack, patties. These golden pastries are a popular street food in Jamaica for a good reason. They're flaky, savory, and full of flavor. Jamaican patties are made with a special dough that has turmeric in it, which makes them golden. The dough is filled with different things, usually ground beef, but you can also find patties filled with chicken, vegetables, or even lobster. The filling is seasoned perfectly with Jamaican spices like cumin, coriander, thyme, and of course a bit of Scotch bonnet pepper. In Jamaica, patties are everywhere. Trust me, one bite and you'll know why they're a Jamaican favorite. So, there you have it, the top 5 Jamaican foods you must try. From the spicy jerk chicken to the comforting Ackee and Saltfish, the rich curry goat, the essential rice and peas, and the perfect on-the-go snack, Jamaican Patties, Jamaican food is a celebration of flavor, culture, and history. I hope this video makes you want to try Jamaican food. Thanks for watching. If you liked learning about these yummy Jamaican dishes, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Chat Jamaican for more tasty videos. See you next time. Walk good.
Chat Jamaican with Tania. Chat Jamaican with Tania. Chat Jamaican with Tania. Chat Jamaican with Tania. When me walk through the valley of